Ese carrerón para Charlie Burns, 7:37 a 177 millas. Oye, desde los 60 pies salió en la madre, papá. El Mustang. Tingo, ¿qué pasó con los Chevrolet? Ah, no vacile, no vacile.
Next pair going to be coming up here, Frank Provenza and Joshua Schwartz. Schwartz left side there, that white Challenger out of Delaware, number 6 qualifier. Frank Provenza in the 03 Cobra was number 11 qualifier on the right. So the Challenger and the Cobra both have had some solid passes so far this weekend, and we'll see if their trends can continue to move on to round number 2.
Vamos allá, el Challenger por el izquierdo, Mustang, el Cobra por el derecho.
Lights are going to be an outright. Some advantage will go to the Mustang. Here comes Schwartz, top end of the racetrack. Wind light shines by just half a tenth. Joshua Schwartz, the Challenger, 754.9, 181. Frank Provenza was a 762.1 at 185. Joshua Schwartz moving on to the next round.